Hello friends, hope so you all are doing good. So welcome to my YouTube channel, and the story which I'm going to narrate today is Misunderstanding. So let's start without wasting our much time. Okay, hope so you'll all like it. So let's go. There was a girl called Rose who always wanted to be different from others. She was a real person. Because of this thing, many people were not liking her. She was a very hardworking person. She used to live with her family. When she was small, she lost her mother in an accident. Now she was living with her father. They were living a middle class life and they were very happy together. She grew up with her father. Even if there were only two members at home, but still they never felt lonely. They were staying happily with each other and they were complete together. One day, what happened? The door started to bang loudly. Rose went near the door and she opened it. There, she saw that a person was standing and he was holding a flight ticket in his hand. He said that company has decided to send her to Korea for 2 months. After listening to this, she ran inside her room and she called at her office and tried to convince her boss. But he did not listen to her. He said that if she refuses to go, then she has to quit from the job. That's all. She was not having any other option. She was very sad. She never thought that this day would come in her life. She never thought of leaving her father, and now, in this condition, when he needs her the most, no, never. His father came to her and said her to go to Korea. He said that he don't want to be the barrier in her success. He explained her about how difficult it is to lead a life nowadays without money, without job. Rose cried the whole night. She was not able to sleep. The next day, she started packing her bag. She got ready to go to Korea. Her dad was crying in a corner of a wall. When she came near him, he rubbed his eyes and started smiling. But still, the daughter was able to see the pain behind the fake smile. She said her father that as he had promised her that he will be answering to her letters, so she is going to Korea, or else she was not going there. At last, the time came. She sat on a car and went far, far away from her father. Daily from Korea, she used to write letters for her father. 2 days once, she used to write a letter, and the next day, she used to get response for those letters. She was just waiting for the days to pass. After some days, her tenure got finally completed and she thought of giving a surprise to her father. So without informing him, she reached the house. She was very happy. She had brought lots of presents for her father, his favorite sunglasses, shoes and many other things. She was banging the door very loudly, but she got scared that as no one was opening the door. But after a few minutes, the door got open and she shouted loudly, "Surprise!" As soon as the door got open, she saw a lady who was a neighbor of her. She was standing in front of her. She went inside and started searching for her father, but his father was not visible. She asked her neighbor, "Auntie, where is my dad?" She was not able to answer her. She just handed a letter to Rose. That letter was very painful. The words written on that can make the whole world sad. That letter was a letter from a father to a daughter. Those words were really very painful. It was written as, "Hey Rose, how are you, darling? When you read this letter, you may not see me in front of you. I wanted to say you one thing from many days. From the day you have become 18 years old, I realized that I was always an obstacle for your success. Every time you got an opportunity, you always refused it because of me, as you were not willing to leave me alone. Now I am happy after many years because for the first time you decided to go to Korea, and it was the happiest day of my life. But I know that after you come back from there, you won't go away from me anymore, because I know that how difficult you felt to be far away from me. Even you were there at Korea, but still you were thinking about me. So I just want to end all those things. So I'm leaving you forever. I'm leaving you. Goodbye forever." As soon as she heard this, she was not able to control her emotions. She went inside her father's room. Then the thing which I saw was very shocking. Rose's dad was alive and the letter, everything was just a lie. He was just trying to give surprise to her. He said that it's impossible for him to leave her daughter forever. After that, he thought of just shocking her. He went to see his daughter inside. He saw that she was lying down, her nerve was cut. It was bleeding very badly. By seeing her in this condition, father also got a heart attack in the moment and he died on the spot. They both died. Yes, it's true that if they were alive, then they would have not led a happy life. Something would have been stopping them from living a happy life. But still, after losing their life, they got just one thing, just regression, nothing else. Misunderstanding between them sacrificed to life. The small letter written by the father to a daughter sacrificed both of their life. So before doing anything, just think once that what are you doing and why are you doing, so that later on you should not feel that you have done wrong. You should not regret for that. So that's all. Here the story ends, a sad ending. So thank you for listening till here. And yeah, again, if you felt the story was good, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also comment below. And thank you for listening till now. Thank you for support.